All right, I love this next tool. It's our charm stapler, and it functions as a stapler that allows you to staple these really cool charms onto your projects. Beyond adding a really cool decorative element, I really love that it allows you to attach things just like a staple would. So, things that might be difficult to attach with adhesive are gonna be great with this tool. So let me show you how it works. First of all, it's magnetic, so I'm just gonna pop this off. I have some embellishments here that I want to attach to this card. But there are embellishments that would be tricky to attach with adhesive. For example, this is acetate, right? So if I use adhesive, I'm going to see it. So I'm going to take these elements, I'm going to layer them together how I want them on my card. And then I'm going to put this onto my tool, and I'm going to adhere this down with the magnets. When I open it up, I can actually see where the staple is going to go, and I can move it around if I need to. And I'm going to take my charm and I'm going to insert it right into the tool, just like that. I'm going to close the lid and I'm going to press down. And there we go. It has attached everything. You can see just like a staple would, and I didn't need to use adhesive. It also adds a really cool accent to the project as well. This is retailing for $24.99. The additional embellishment charms are retailing for $8.99. One really fun thing is we're actually partnering with a lot of our celebrities. So for example, Paige Evans, Maggie Holmes, Vicky Boutin. So these are gonna match some of their collections, and that's really fun as well. This is launching in April.